4 richest and luckiest zodiac signs from August 9th. Welcome to the channel where the stars speak directly to you. Today we will figure out who will have success and prosperity from August 9th. This video will not only show which zodiac signs will swim in wealth, but also give advice on how to make the most of your astrological advantages. Let's start the path to success together. Before watching, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And here we go. 1. Taurus. Taurus, known for their hard work and patience, will find themselves in the center of financial well-being. This period will be a time when their efforts will be crowned with noticeable material success. They will have to make important decisions that can lead to long-term investments and an increase in wealth. Taurus is a master at finding and seizing opportunities, and now they will appear one after another. 2. Leo. Leos will find themselves in the center of attention not only due to their charismatic presence, but also due to unexpected financial successes. This zodiac sign will discover new sources of income, perhaps related to creativity or public speaking. Leo will be able to turn their passions into profit, and their social status will increase along with their bank account. 3. Scorpio. Scorpios will meet this period with special excitement, because they will have a series of successful events related to inheritance or concluding profitable deals. Their insight and ability to read between the lines will bring tangible financial fruits. This sign will not only gain material wealth, but also deep satisfaction from successfully completed projects. 4. Capricorn. Capricorns will find that their consistent approach and ability to plan several steps ahead will finally bear fruit. During this period, they may receive a promotion or salary increase, which will significantly strengthen their financial position. Stability and security are what will determine their path to success.